Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today's going to be a razor review of a product that's kind of unique. I'll call it a safety razor because it uses half of a double-edged razor blade, and it's called the Proof Razor. It's a beautiful box, perfect for gift giving, and it's got a magnetic closure on it. If I can figure out how to open it, you just flip this lid up, pull up the top, and there it is. You see the razor, and what's this right here? Oh, it's a stand. Check out how this works. It's stuck to the packaging. All you do is give it a good twist and it comes right off. It's got a little microscopic sticky pad on the back that will stick to just about anything that's flat. Wall tile, mirror, medicine cabinet. You can stick this and you could actually mount the razor directly to it, like so. You can stick this on your mirror up high, out of the reach of children, or on your tile, and just take the razor, boom, fits right in there just like that. It just sits in there and stays firmly in place. So again, you can stick this anywhere. I'm going to stick it on here again and peel it off again. You can do this innumerable times. Stick it on, relocate it, put it somewhere else. Very nice feature. It comes with a beautiful little bag that you can hold the razor in, right here. When we were kids, there was some gum that used to come in a bag like this. Gold Rush, I think it was called. And you could just pull the strings like this and tighten it up. I always think of that when I see a bag like this. But that was a white bag, and it had yellow strings on it, and you just pull it tight, and it was filled with Gold Rush. It was bubble gum. Good stuff. But anyway, these type of bags always remind me of that. So Proof razors, by the way, they are made in the USA in Bozeman, Montana. That's where they're made. They do come with 5 blades, and I think they say that 5 blades are made in the USA as well. So we're talking all USA today. Good stuff. Very nice packaging again. They put some thought into it for sure. Now let's talk about the main topic, the razor itself. This razor is made of aluminum, so it's on the lighter side, but it's very cool and kind of futuristic to look at. Feels good in the hand, long enough to drop in the palm. You won't be spinning because it's only a single edge, but it is very comfortable to hold. It's got these ridges in the side here where it's kind of hollow going through there, which thumb and forefinger on there gives you a good grip. You can see there's lather lines on here, right there, allows the lather to slide through and rinse easily. You may be asking, how do you get the blade in there? Well, all you do, grab this upper top cap right here and just pull. It's magnetic. Those are 2 neodymium magnets right there, and they just line up with each other. Top cap and the base plate, and snaps right in. Very simple, just like that. So let's put a blade in there. I've already snapped one of these in half, so I've shown you many times before. All you do is you take your double-edged razor blade, you fold it over, snap, snap, get it in 2 pieces. Here's one of the pieces right here, half of a double-edged razor blade. So you're saving money shaving that way. The magnets will also help you load the blade and hold it in place. You just put it up there and slide it over till it drops in, just like that. Very simple. And then you just drop your top cap. It'll only go one way. It won't go any other way. You lock it in place. You can see that blade reveal is perfect going across. So I'll perform a shave. I'm going to shave, all around. I'll leave this French cut right here, but I'm going to shave all around it, and you'll get a feel for how this razor shaves. I've already got some lather mixed up in my Shave Nation copper bowl right here from my previous video where I just mixed up this lather, so we'll use that. By the way, the soap is Goodfellas Solo Shaving Soap. That's what I lathered up. I'm going to warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. Whew. All right, you can see my face is good and warm. I'm going to grab my brush and my bowl. Get some of this lather right here. By the way, it's the Simpson's Trafalgar T3 Sovereign Synthetic Fibers shaving brush. Start applying. Right side. Just going to go all around the areas I'm going to shave. A little bit in there, a little bit in there. Just work it into the beard. All right. Wet fingers, no problem holding it under the hot water. Here we go. Start at the sideburn. Again, a single blade. It's a light razor, so you do apply a little bit of pressure just to hold it to the face. And you can see I wipe away the cream a little bit so I could see better. Very nice. Feels great. Rinse that. Since it is a single blade and you're not flipping like a regular safety razor, like this, you're not flipping, you will need to rinse a little bit more often. Left side. You can hear it, you can feel it flexing as I shave along down my face. Doing a really nice job of removing the beard. You can see that. Now we can go like down the chin, watch this. Boom, just follows that contour, nice and easy. You can take the stroke all the way down. Very comfortable. Short strokes just for lining this up. And then I'll go with longer strokes here. Very nice. You can hear it kind of clicking. That's the pivoting head moving around like that. So it follows the contours very nicely. Look at it. Right down the chin. Very comfortable. Now we'll get in here. Other side. There we go. Rinse. Rinse the face. Still got a little residual cream on there, but you can see, no problem, one pass, removing my couple days worth of beard growth. And I was able to even this out pretty nicely as well inside here. If you want to do a little bit more, we can go across. Tell you what, maybe we'll just go against and see how that works out. We'll just do an against the grain pass. All right, here we go, against the grain on the neck. Rinse. Rinses out very easily, quickly. And the blade kind of stops once you hit the beard hair. All right, so watch this now. Now we'll just go straight up all the way. Check it. See that? You can go right over that contour, no problem. It feels like there's no way you're going to cut yourself with it. That's your skin pass right there. Very easily done with this razor. Gets you super smooth. I even hit my ear right there with it and no damage, no problem. Okay, rinse. Other side, same way, all the way up. Look at that, right over the contours of the chin line, no problem. Another rinse. Now we'll take our Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap, raise it up a little bit under the cold water, and then just glide that all around the areas you shaved. We'll seal off any little nicks or weepers if you got any, which we definitely did not. We got just nice, close, comfortable, smooth shave. Recap this. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Just leaving it slightly damp. We got some Parasso aftershave balm. I have to remember to bring some other balms home so we can mix it up. Just a little bit in the fingertips like that. Directly to the skin. And the forehead as well. An excellent shave provided by this proof razor. Aluminum construction. The stand is aluminum as well. And it's unbreakable. I just dropped it, so we know that. And this just, again, right to your mirror, you can stick the little microscopic sticky pad, and then the razor goes right in there and locks in place. I think I had it upside down the first time I showed you, but it really locks in there. It's not falling out. So very unique blade loading method right here. Just remove the cap. You can see the blade just sticks to the magnet. It's not falling out. If you want to take it out, you can. If you want to leave it in there, you can as well. Either way, personal preference. Did I tell you the specs? I don't think I covered that yet. The razor weighs in at 0.72 ounces or 20 grams. The overall length from top to bottom is 4.4 inches or 110 millimeters. So the length, great, drops right in the palm, a little bit on the lighter side, but still the length makes up for it, making it very comfortable to hold on to and long enough where you're not fighting with it to try to get a grip on it. And the blade loading mechanism, you can't beat that, very simple. And using half of a double-edged blade on top of it. And the pivoting head, also a great plus right there. So if you want to add something unique and different to your shaving rotation, this would be an excellent choice. Let me read to you what the company says about it. Welcome to the future of shaving. The new Proof razor, with its pivoting head and easy magnetic blade loading design, ensures a close, comfortable, fun shave. True, it is fun to shave with. The unique design of this razor will significantly reduce your chance of ingrown hairs. Try it out and experience the difference. We all know that a single blade does reduce your chance of ingrown hairs over a multi-blade cartridge. It includes one aluminum razor, a black drawstring storage pouch, that's what you call it, one aluminum stand, 5 double-edged blades, 10 single blades. Again, you split them in half, you get, instead of 5 blades, you get 10. Instruction card, did I not see that? Hold on a sec. Oh yeah, okay, I didn't mention that. Instruction card right here. I didn't mention that, sorry about that. Instruction card and a handsome gift box right there. Magnetic mastery, strong magnets for a secure blade fit every time. That is true, it drops in and locks in place, no problem. Pivoting head glides along the curves of your face effortlessly. Extended grip, a longer handle designed for perfect balance and ease of use. I can attest. Flow-through design, large slots ensure hairs rinse easily without clogging. Smooth operator, ridged cap design to minimize friction for smooth glide. Stand can be used on counter or suction it to your mirror to save space. So you could lay it flat like that on your counter. It works great. Or right up on your mirror or medicine cabinet or tile. It'll stick right there as well, vertically like so. Designed, manufactured, assembled in Bozeman, Montana, USA. So whenever I hear Montana, I always think of Yellowstone. I'm sure a lot of you do too. Great show. But anyway, that's a look at the razor with the stand, without the stand. It's actually beautiful. Very nice little piece of kit. It's pretty cool. If you want to pick up one of these razors, just click down below the video or next to it where it says show more and you can grab it right there. Or go to shavenation.com. You can enter Proof Razor or SN878 in the search box and it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. It's unbreakable too. I just dropped it. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.